Renting your first movie with Amazon Prime on Xbox or another device is not complicated, but in case you run into issues, I'll run through the process for you. First of all, movies have to be rented directly from the Amazon.com website. Here I'm going to rent The Big Sick. On the movie page, there's the option to buy or rent. Click on Rent a Movie HD. A message will pop up telling you that HD movies are only available on HD-supported devices. Here, click Continue to finish the purchase. You can now watch it right on your computer or on your smartphone. But for now, I really want to just watch it on my Xbox. So install the Amazon Video app on your Xbox if you haven't already done so. In the main menu, go to the video library. It defaults to a list of TV shows, so click on Movies to see your rental. Here's the movie I just rented. Highlight Watch Now and the rental begins. From this point on, you'll have 30 days to watch your movie. If you don't watch it now, you'll have 30 days to start your rental or it will go away. If you only watch part of the movie, you can come back to it later within the 30 days. But you can watch it as many times as you like during the rental period. But you need to have Amazon Prime to rent movies. One last thing, you can cancel your rental and get your money back if you haven't started watching the movie yet. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Cube, for more how-to videos and product reviews.